Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the exact song into Capcut, then place it on the timeline so you can work precisely. Once the audio is visible, duplicate the track immediately. That gives you a safety copy in case the removal changes tone. Make short trims to isolate the verse or chorus you need removed. This reduces processing time and keeps the AI focused on a smaller segment, which improves vocal separation quality and reduces artifacts later. You then open Capcut's audio tools and apply the dedicated vocal removal effect, sometimes called vocal remove or vocal isolation, because it runs AI separation on the clip. Adjust the strength slider slowly, begin at about 50% and listen. Increasing it reduces more voice but can thin instruments, while lowering it preserves music body. Once done, scrub and preview different parts. Make incremental adjustments until the vocal is minimized, but the backing track still sounds natural, then lock the clip. You finish by refining the process track. Apply a gentle EQ to reduce remaining vocal presence in the mid-range, and add light reverb so the instrumental sounds cohesive. If some sections still have voice, switch to your duplicate track and layer or crossfade between versions to keep the best parts. Once satisfied, export at high quality, WAV or 320 kbps MP3, and test on different speakers or headphones. If artifacts persist, try lower removal strength or reprocess shorter segments to improve results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.